Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'll show you how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest and start earning passive income. Step by step. Want to turn Pinterest into your personal income generator? First, choose a niche you love, something popular on Pinterest. Think health, beauty, home decor, or even DIY crafts. The more focused your niche, the better you'll connect with your audience. Next, sign up for affiliate programs that align with your niche. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or even direct brand programs are great starting points. Once approved, grab your unique affiliate links. Make sure you're using a Pinterest business account. It unlocks analytics and rich pins, which can help boost your pin visibility and engagement. Eye-catching pins are everything. Use tools like Canva to create vertical designs with bold text and beautiful images. And don't forget a call to action like shop now or learn more. Write keyword-rich descriptions so your pins show up in searches. Add hashtags to increase visibility. And always include a link either to your affiliate product or your blog. Direct your pins to a landing page or blog. This builds trust and lets you share more about the product while staying within Pinterest rules against direct affiliate link. Consistency is key. Schedule 10 to 20 pins daily with tools like Tailwind. Mix your own pins with repins to keep your boards active and engaging. Track your results with Pinterest Analytics. Double down on what's working and tweak the pins that aren't getting clicks. That's it. With a little creativity and consistency, you can turn Pinterest into a passive income machine. Ready to get started? Hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite Pinterest tip in the comments. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.